Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you will be all good. Friends, today I want to tell you about hamster combat. Friends, in this video I teach you everything about wallet, that how can we add wallet into the hamster combat. Step by step I teach you. Friends, maybe you are now about hamster combat, that is very popular game into the Pakistan. If you don't know about it, then go to the Google and search that how many people interested into the hamster combat. Google will tell you everything about it, and that is 100% freely, and you don't have need investment into join into this game. Hello friends, hope you will be fine. Friends, first of all click on airdrop. After connect your Toon wallet, press here, and once again connect your Toon wallet, press here. Now you can see many of the wallets, and I click on Toon Keeper, that is which one is first. And after the load you can see that there are three tab of sign up into Toon Keeper. The last one is sign up with Toon Keeper. If you have already downloaded application of Toon Keeper, then press here. And the first one is Google Play, that is for iPhone user, and last download APK file, and press here. After you can see download anyway, and now press here. You can see top on screen an option of detail, press here. Now my wallet is downloaded. Now I just click on Toon Keeper application. After the pressing on Toon Keeper application, I just see on the screen an option of install. Press on install, and installing is always take some time, and now that is take just 5 seconds. And after the waiting of 5 seconds, I got an option of open. Press here. After the pressing, the wallet is working into my device. It's loaded into my device, and now you can see that is loaded into my device. And as you know, wallet is always for money, and this wallet is showing me his attitude, but he don't know that I always put it empty. Maybe now he's understand, and he gave me a new options. Oh yes, now you can see there is an option of import existing wallet if you have another. If you don't have, then press on create new wallet. I just press and now you can see there is an option of create new password. Now you can create here a strong and new password which is very strong, and that is need to secure our wallet. And I put here my password there. Once again re-enter password, press here same to same password. If we change, then they will not accept it. After the password, enter password, you can see here an option of allow. Please you can allow here. If you don't allow, they will not give us permission to add into the wallet. And after they allow, you can see there is scrolling for some time, and after this scrolling it will be add into my own wallet. Now you can see on the screen that my wallet is ready. Now there are many of the options. The number one is use fingerprint to approve transaction, and the other is join Toon Keeper channels. It means if we join a Toon Keeper channel, then the channel give us all to all new updates and news, and back up the wallet. If we forget our wallet, then press on back up the wallet and recover our password. And top on the screen you can see the options of sendings, receivings, scannings, and buy and sale, stack, even all to all options are here. And at least you can see enable transaction notification. Press its notification will be on, and getting back. After coming back, you can once again go on your Telegram. Press on Telegram, you can see here there is a scrolling of load, that your Toon Keeper is continue for hamster combat. And maybe it will be time some second, because it's depend on internet speed, and that is not good news for me, that my internet speed is not good. After the checking, you can see as on the screen they will give me the permission to add the wallet into the my own wallet. Hamster combat is give me permit. Now I can see here an option of connect wallets. Pressing here, and after the pressing they will ask me that what is your password. if I password wrong, then they will not give us the permission. If I put here my right password, then they will connect my wallet. As you can see on the screen that my wallet is getting ready, and it's done for everything, for every transaction. And I got on Hamster Combat. Now you can see here, and my wallet is ready for the all transactions, and my address is here.